On the right side of your machine, you have the power cable as well as the cable connected to the foot control. There is also the air vents. Do not place anything in front of these. Switch on the machine. There are 3 different ways of making stitches. The first is the manual method, by which the hand wheel is turned towards you, causing the needle to go down into the fabric and back up again. As this is happening, the take-up lever also goes up and down into the machine. The hand wheel is never turned away from you, but always in the direction of where you're sitting. The second method of making stitches would be to use the reverse button. By pressing this button once, the machine will make 1 stitch only. The third and most common way of making stitches is by depressing your foot onto the foot control that is located on the floor. You can regulate your speed by the amount of pressure you apply. At the moment, the needle has stopped in the highest position. If you want to cancel this and have the needle inside the fabric, you need to tap your foot control once, and when you stop sewing, the opposite will happen. The parts that work together to feed the fabric as it is being sewn are the presser foot and the feed dogs. Notice how the feed dogs work to draw the fabric in as it is being sewn. The machine cannot work properly when the presser foot is in the up position as it is now. It is lowered and lifted with a presser foot lifter. It should not be dropped. It's spring-loaded, so control all the way down. Let's demonstrate how fabric is drawn through the machine while it's being sewn.